How do you access World Wide Web on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe because I have tutorials which you're gonna definitely benefit from. So to access the internet on the iPad, the first step is to be connected to it. So you need to swipe down from the top right corner where you can find the connections. So make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. You can hold down on it even and see all of the Wi-Fi settings. So if there is a specific network you need to connect to, just find it in here, type in the password, wait for the connection to be authenticated, and once you are connected, you'll see the little check mark next to it, the blue one next to the name, and that's how you know that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. You also have it in the top right corner there. And then you need to access the internet through a web browser. So by default on the iPad, we have the Safari web browser. This is what it looks like. You can find it somewhere on your iPad. Go to the app library where all of the apps are, and it will most definitely be there. So you can open it up like this and go to the new tab and start typing something in, right? So you have the URL bar. You can type in any website or just type in Google and then look something up, and you can start browsing and surfing the internet. So that is the most basic approach. For some more additional things, you can of course explore more features of the Safari, like set up bookmarks or see some history of the browsing, whatever. But that is the most basic approach. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it and find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.